I actually thought forex trading and crypto trading were basically the same until I experienced the differences myself. I thought anything trading is trading, trading is trading. So forex and crypto are the same. A lot of beginners jump into forex or crypto without understanding which one fits them. So in today's video, we are going to be discussing forex and crypto, the relationship between the two, and the best for beginners to start with. So stay to the end of the video. Most beginner traders and new people who are just coming into the trading space always think that forex trading and crypto trading are the same. They just say trading is just trading, forex trading is trading, crypto trading is trading, so trading is just trading. That's the kind of mindset they come with. But forex trading and crypto trading, they are two different things. They are not, although they have similarities, but they are not the same. Forex trading involves the buying and selling of currencies. It's the world financial market, and it is the biggest financial market in the world where currencies are being traded for one another. Forex trading involves buying and selling of currencies. For example, buying the Great Britain pound and selling United States dollar in exchange. So that is basically trading. In forex trading, all what they do is to trade currencies. Cryptocurrency trading involves digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cryptocurrency trading involves speculating on price movement, either by selling or buying digital assets on online exchanges like Bybit, Binance, and other platforms that offers sports trading and leverage trading. The primary goal is to capitalize on market volatility by purchasing an asset at a lower price and also selling it at higher price. And also the similarities between the most common similarity between forex trading and crypto trading is that you can use derivatives to short assets when the market falls, just the way we do it in forex. So you can go short in cryptocurrency trading. The biggest difference between crypto trading and forex trading is that crypto market is very volatile while forex is more stable. That's why a lot of traders who want fast moving market, they want to be trading cryptocurrency because the crypto market moves very fast while the forex market moves is very stable. So crypto offers extreme volatility with minimal stability, while forex provides high structural stability with much lower, more predictable price volatility. So you can easily predict the direction of a currency in forex trading, but in crypto trading it's very volatile, so it can move in any direction. That is why it is much possible to make money, a lot of money in a short period of time in crypto than forex trading. Although forex trading is very structured and your growth is gradual. Once you start making money in forex trading, it's very fantastic. But in crypto trading, crypto is very risky. It's because of its volatility. That's what makes it very risky. You can make a lot of money in crypto trading in a short period of time, and you can lose that huge amount of money within minutes. That's just it about crypto trading. Although it has its own structures like setting stop losses and risking what you are comfortable of losing, but crypto trading is more riskier than forex trading. Another big difference between crypto and forex is that the forex market is open 24 hours a day, but only closing down during the weekend, while crypto market is open 247 and there is no day that is closed. It's always open. Another difference between the crypto market and the forex market is that the crypto market has extreme swings, while the forex market has leverage, extreme leverage. Swings refers to large price movements to the downside or to the upside, while leverage is a trading power. You can have access to large money with small amounts. For example, you fund $100 to your broker, and with that $100 you can be able to open a position worth $10,000. This is an advantage for traders, especially in the forex industry. You can have access to large amount of money with your broker. You can actually open a big position with small money, although it comes with its own risk, because leverage is like double-edged sword. You can use it to benefit, and it can also kill you if you don't understand the risk of a leverage. So I advise you learn what is leverage. Check out the description of this video to find a complete lesson on leverage. What I realize is that each market requires a different mindset. In forex, it taught me how to be disciplined, and crypto market taught me how to be patient. Now, how do you choose the best market for yourself? Either the forex market or the crypto market. But the truth is that the best market depends on your personality and your risk management. Everyone is different, and the outcome of every trade you take, either in the crypto space or in the forex space, highly depends on your personality. That's why I usually say that the forex market or the crypto market is like the reflection of yourself. So you have to know yourself first. Know what you are suitable with before deciding to trade either the forex or the crypto market. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. We provide educational content and market insight without hype, pure education and pure technical analysis.